Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can blur the background of your videos to make it looks like it have a better looking video. So here I've already opened the video on CapCut, and what you need to do is duplicate the video first and then make one of them as overlay and click on the overlay and find the cut out or remove background, then remove the background of the overlay. And after the background is removed, you can just click on the check icon. Now go back and click on the effect and find the blur effect under the lens category. Okay, this one. So adjust the blur. I suggest you to set it to around 10 to 30 to make it looks more natural. Okay, I'm going to go with 13. Click on a check icon, adjust the length of the effect, and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.